Dear Kallax, how do I love thee? Let me count the ways. In my studio office, you are more than just storage. You are the vault of my creativity. The very first Kallax project that set everything in motion. You transformed a blank space into my DreamBox. A home for every brush, every tool, every unfinished idea waiting for its moment. You hold my paper, my pens, my paints, and my vinyl. The ribbons that haven't found their packages, the projects that haven't found their time. Without you, my ideas would have no anchor. With you, they have a place to begin. But you are not just for studios, you are not just for offices. In my closet, you brought order out of chaos. You took a space that was more hang it up and hope for the best and turned it into a perfectly structured haven of efficiency. You gave my shoes a home because apparently scattered across the floor is not an acceptable storage method. And the drawers, the MVPs of my DreamBox, now holding everything from band-aids and belts to jewelry and nail files. Customizable and slick, flexible and modular, letting me feel far more put together than I actually am. You make me look organized, even when I'm just dropping things into a bin and calling it a system. And then there's my studio closet. You hold my backup supplies, my overflow stash, my just-in-case purchases. You are the keeper of the miscellaneous, the things I cannot part with, and the things that I don't know where to place. You let me pretend that I'm semi-minimalist, while secretly storing everything that I own. You make me feel prepared, rather than a hoarder with Marie Kondo-approved organizing skills. And finally, my great room, the heart of my home, where function and aesthetics have learned to coexist. You keep my essential gear within reach, my creator clutter out of sight. You blend seamlessly into my space, like you were meant to be here all along. Kallax, you are my silent partner in home organization. Always standing tall, always ready to hold more. 16 of you live in my home, 16 quiet stalwarts of order, creativity, and possibility. And yet somehow I think I might need a 17th.